Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to unlink your Epic Games account from another platform that you have linked it to. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this one is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you own and all the games that you can buy on the Epic Store. So guys, the first thing you want to do if you want to unlink your account is do the following. You want to go right here into the upper right corner where you can see your profile picture, and you want to click on that icon right there. Click on that icon guys. Now this will give you new options such as seeing your achievements, editing your settings, seeing your account info, and so on. So guys, if you want to unlink your account, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and click on this option right here called account. So guys, go ahead and click on account, and now this will open up an external tab taking you to the official Epic Games site and opening up the account options. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you can see there are multiple options that you can use such as account settings, email preferences, payment management, and so on. So guys, if you want to unlink an account, then we want to go ahead and find this option right here called apps and accounts. So guys, go ahead and click on apps and accounts, and as you can see now this will open up a new page where you can choose if you want to either control your apps or accounts, and we're going to go ahead and click on accounts. And after clicking on accounts guys, now you can see this brings you to the page where you can see all the platforms that you can be connected to. So if you wish to connect the platform, then you just go ahead and click the connect button. But guys, if you're already connected to a platform, then you will not have the connect button, but instead of this button, it will show you that disconnect button. So let's say you have already been connected to Twitch and you want to unlink your account from Twitch, then all you have to do is click the disconnect button that will appear here and confirm that you want to unlink your account. After that guys, your account will be successfully unlinked from the platform. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.